Guys, I got a mail day. It's from eBay. It's from my set/project. It's an Andrew Nicholson on-card autograph from Threads, Panini Threads. So yeah, and here's an updated list of what I need. I'm expecting a lot of these to come in pretty soon. So anything not in bold is what I need. So it's, let me go down the list: Davis, Gilchrist, Beal, Waiters. So these are what I have so far: is Henson, Nicholson, as you just saw, Fab Melo, Perry Jones III, and Marquise Teague. Sorry, but when I look at my computer, it makes all these like lines, and sorry about that. But when I go out, this is just my iPhone, then it's clear again. So anyways, so yeah, anyone beside Henson, Andrew Nicholson, Fab Melo, Perry Jones III, and Marquise Teague. But everyone else in the first round is something I'd still need. Trying to work out some deals like for a T-Rob, Tony Roten, Mo Harkless, others like that. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, let me know. It's only 25 more to go. That's pretty much it. Yeah, let me know. Peace.